back to another vlog. This weekend's vlog is gonna be, I don't really know, my friend's coming up. I think we're gonna go downtown a bit, do just some shopping, just some bopping around town. I also want to redo, I already want to redo my downstairs bathroom. It's just not funky enough for me. So I need to start working on that. So maybe it will be just like a renovation vlog. I don't really know. But it's snowing right now currently. Can you see the snow? I do have to say it's way better when it snows when you don't have to go into the office. It's so great working from home now. It's literally life-changing. What else is new? What else do I have to update you with? I hope you had a great New Year. Hope you had a great Christmas. This morning I forgot that it was 2022 and I said it was 2020. So that's how my past years have been. I also think I'm gonna really start posting on TikTok now instead of Instagram. Instagram's just not doing it for me. This year I'm going to be my most authentic self. I'm going to post what I want when I want to post it. Just more real content. Honestly, the curated content is just exhausting and I'm not getting the payout for it like I used to. Instagram is changing, Instagram is evolving. We all have to evolve with it. I've come to terms with that. But I filmed 12 TikTok videos this morning. Who is she? But my room looks like a bomb went off, so let's straighten her up. Shown you the inside of my closet, so let's just show you the inside of my closet because I have to put some things away. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Hold things and also take you on this journey. Hold on. This is my closet, ladies and gentlemen. Halfway done with the cleaning. Our house isn't a mess, it's just like it needs tidying. But I wanted to show you our bathroom now and the wallpaper, just so you're getting a little taste of what I want to do. So this is what it is before. It's not bad, you know, it's just like, it's like a burnt orange color. It's boring for me, okay? I need more. There's nothing wrong with it. I like all the fixtures that I have. We're keeping everything like that, mirror keeping, but it just needs, pizzazz. So let me show you the wallpaper. I wanted to show you the wallpaper in here. Do we love it? I'm obsessed. Tropical. I want my home to feel like I'm on vacation. You know, I want people to come into my house and be like, wow, that's really fucking cool. Okay, guys. It looks so good, and I know Colin didn't want me to do it all tonight because he wants me to do it properly, bless his soul, but oh my god, I love it so much. Look, that's our test strip. I need to put the thing back on there, so just ignore that, but it looks so good. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Morning, guys. I didn't vlog anything last night because I decided to, of course, wallpaper our bathroom. Against Colin's wishes. Honestly, I mean, most of the time that happens. Got a coffee this morning, got some breakfast, waiting for my friend to get here, but I'm going to show you what the bathroom looks like because I'm obsessed. It's not done yet, but I had to order some more wallpaper because we ran out. But, let me put this down. Okay, so pretend you're like in my living room and you're like, oh my god, look at the bathroom. I'm obsessed. Like, obviously ignore the places that it isn't yet, but I'm obsessed with it so much. I love it. I love it. Obviously not done, but you get a vibe. I'm gonna get some different towels, I think, something more bright, but they work because they're green. We want to get a new light at some point too because this was the one that came with the house, but I'm obsessed. just did a little outfit change, so I figured I would show you guys what I'm wearing. You can see it's a little dark. I found this sweater at TJ Maxx, and it came with this cute little hat. I think it's so adorable. And then my jeans are H&M, and then I'm just wearing some Doc Martens, or trash cans right there. So I haven't really shown you around the house a lot since we moved in, so I'm just gonna give you a little breeze over some of the things that we've done so far. So I added this cute little bar cart to the entryway right near the mirror. Over here we have just a cute little cozy spot. How cute is this? This is from Bubble Bar. It's like a customized blanket. It matches perfectly with everything in the house. Our living room. I think you've seen the living room, but we ended up getting a new couch because the other one was so uncomfortable. This is from the article. It was definitely on the pricier side, but I love it. The dog. Our little fireplace. I love the disco balls around it. We have our little tiger rug from Urban Outfitters. So our spare bedroom still needs to be done. It's just kind of like not a dumping ground, but our workout stuff's here, our old bed's here. This is from Anthro, which I love. It just doesn't fit our bed. This is from Etsy, which used to be in the living room, but it just pilled so much with the dog in there, so we just kept it in the guest room. We have some artwork in the hallway. These are from Postery, I believe. And then the bathroom you guys saw, which is half done, but you know. Kitchen, not much else is done to the kitchen yet. We did end up changing out the handles on everything just for now, just to kind of quickly do something a little cute for the kitchen. But these will be done eventually. Over here, our dining area. Those are also from Postery. This is from Amazon. These are from Amazon. All my plants. And then that, I believe, is also from Amazon. That used to be in my office. The stairs will eventually replace the rug. Upstairs bathroom, I believe you've seen, which is my favorite spot. I love these like amber bulbs. They're just so relaxing, especially when you're like taking a bath. My office I changed. I don't know if I mentioned that, but the pink and red were just way too distracting for what I needed the office for. So now I have like my photo roll there for when I need to shoot portraits and stuff. Shelving, it's a little messy right now, but Colin's actually going to make me doors for my shelving unit eventually, so that's why that's there. And then I have my Tezza collage wall, and then my desk. I'm like out of breath from running up the stairs. Our bedroom's not done yet. I think that's going to be the next thing that we work on. So finishing off the bathroom downstairs. I did order a new bed frame for our bedroom, so hopefully that will come in soon. I think it's at like end of January, early February. Obviously I'm loving the wallpaper. I think it's just so fun. All of it's removable, so me being as indecisive as I am, I can change it whenever I want. A little mini house tour that we have right now. I'm still waiting for my friend. She should be here soon. And then we're gonna head to Portsmouth for the day and just kind of walk around the shops, have lunch, and then, yeah, I don't really know what we're doing later, but that's it. Here! Colin! Hey, Colin. Back from walking around downtown, we are going to make some pasta and some drinks. Everyone just likes to make a lot of bodily noises right now.
That should be the one we saw.
It's a very big one. I didn't think it was big, but that's probably too big.
Like pasta?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are we even cooking that?
Artichokes. Alright, on today's menu, we've got gluten-free pasta, some feta, mine, right? And some pesto. So we're gonna make a pesto. So my master plan, I know, as soon as I start talking, I'll shake it. My master plan is to let everyone in my family know how much I want them to move to New Hampshire. I think Courtney will be the first one to move to New Hampshire. She'll be here. She'll be here soon. Pasta's cooking. Look at this delightful sauce. You know what's funny? Everyone on YouTube, everything looks so aesthetic. And then aesthetic. And then you look at my stuff and I'm like, here's my green sludge. Morning guys, it's the next day. I didn't end the vlog last night. We just ended up watching Spider-Man and hanging out, watching Emily in Paris, had a few drinks, ate some food. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Sorry it wasn't that exciting, but honestly it's life these days. Not really doing much because of, you know, the vid. But yeah, hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, TikTok. I'll leave those right here. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!